Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want to use the wide-angle lens in Snapchat on your Android device, there are a few things you need to check first. Let's go through the steps to make sure you can take wide-angle snaps. Start by opening Snapchat and switching to the camera screen. If your device supports wide-angle mode, you have two ways to activate it. The first is by pinching to zoom out, which should trigger the ultra-wide lens if your phone has one. The second method is by tapping the ultra-wide button at the bottom of the screen. On my device, it shows 0.6, but on some phones, it might display 0.5 instead. Before assuming the feature isn't available, check whether your Android phone actually has a wide-angle lens. The easiest way to test this is by opening the default camera app and trying to zoom out. If your phone allows you to switch to an ultra-wide mode there, then Snapchat should support it too. Some Android phones have multiple camera lenses. So if you see a lens switch icon in Snapchat, tap it to see if it cycles through to the wide angle camera. If you don't see the wide angle option, there are a few things you can try. First, make sure Snapchat is updated by going to the Google Play Store and checking for updates. If the feature still isn't available, you could try using a third-party Snapchat lens that simulates a wider field of view. And if the option should be there but isn't showing up, try restarting the app or even reinstalling Snapchat to refresh the settings. That's it. Now you know how to use wide-angle mode on Snapchat for Android. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Android and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.